policy in Palo Alto Firewall. As we know very well, when we configure a policy in firewall, so we must to know some of these things. Okay, we must to know about these things. Source interface here John, destination interface here John, source IP and destination IP, and protocol which you want to allow or deny for this policy as we require, and the action it should be allow, yeah, deny. We must to know these things when we configure any policy. So in case of Palo Alto, in the case of Palo Alto, we talk for John only. Because as interface assigns to John. So we make policy John to John. Traffic by default deny between two different John. So we allow policies John to second John, other John. So first of all, we configure John in network, and there is a John. Okay, we allow and assign the interface to this John, like we configure John for internal. Okay, type, like I configure L3 type. So now due to add interface means assign to interface to this internal John. This is a John window for John configuration. So assign, like I assign the VLAN. Okay, so because I already configured a John, so my LAN interface also assigned to LAN John. And if enable user identification, so means now my policy not be configured for, on the basis of IP address. My policies are configured as per the user base, as a LDAP user base. So we click to enable user identification. Okay. So as we configure John, and then after configuration of John, go to policy, and when we go commit policies, there is the policy. First tab is security in policy. Add button, click on add button. Name the policy like test policy, test one. All the portion is optional. Source John. Yeah, any John. Yeah, we configure source John, like we LAN John. So LAN John, if we have the source IP address and required to configure a specific source IP address policy, so we given their IP address, and if we have an object for this IP, so select this object. Yeah, we directly configure IP like 192.168.11.2 something another. So we configure specific IP address. Yeah, if we have user LDAP base, so we add the specific user. Okay, ABC or RUC, anything. This is all the LDAP users. So we select there any user as our requirement, then goes to the destination side. Destination add, again source John and destination John must be clarified. Click on the add button and select the destination John, means outbound, outside. My outside port is WAN port, outside port. If you have a specific address for our outside our network. So we first of all make their object. Yeah, we can define the IP address also. So this IP address must be the public IP, not the internal IP, because it's a policy from LAN to internet. Here we can click on the any. And goes to the application. Application is there's a multiple app ID. Remember this name, app ID. Okay, so app ID, we will select there any app ID based policy. So this is like we have an application of Facebook. To allow a block to this any requirement, so we select the Facebook. Like I want to block Facebook video, so we click on Facebook video. And service, which services you like? I apply for application default. Yeah, we have any specific port, HTTPS. So any port, we click on add button and add to these ports protocol. Okay, like HTTPS, HTTP, any port, Telnet port 23, 22, okay, 8080. Yeah, any customized ports that's required. So we can configure new port, new protocol, and the service from the service facility. So click and give the name and give the port and protocol. This is the TCP protocol, या UDP protocol, या SCTP protocol. Okay, so given their protocol, I'm not configuring a policy, I'm showing you how we configure a policy. So you can try with your firewall, and then goes to the action. And action, it is a deny, allow, या drop, या reset client. So reset client also is a drop here, deny. So reset means not learn for this destination. Reset, connection reset means drop, deny. Allow means allow, permission. And we have a profile setting. So in profile setting, we apply their profiles. We configured URL profile, okay, application profile I already apply in the application tab. And profile setting will be filtered in the content ID. Two different things, app ID and content ID. For app ID is a app tab. In the application tab, we apply to app ID. And the action we apply to the profile type, and we there the profile. In the profile is a multiple suites of contents: antivirus, vulnerability protection, anti-spyware, URL filtering, file blocking, data filtering. All these are content ID. Okay, these all the suites of content. So any is a default here configure. So as what we want, so we configure as per our requirement to these all the things. Okay, these are the two different things. App ID apply in the application tab, and profile setting we filtered their content IDs. I think now you clear all the things. I'm not configuring. I'm just show you how you use the policy window, how you configure policy for in your Palo Alto firewall. So content tabs, I show you how you configure the content. This is the object, click on object, and in object window there is security profiles. So now we have a multiple there: profile antivirus, profile anti-spyware, profile vulnerability protection, URL filtering, file blocking. So there is a multiple different types of NAM. So as NAM, we define the different contents block. Yeah, there's a filter the different content. So as our requirement, we configure to these. Like need to configure the anti-spyware. So give the name test. Anti-spyware rule any all severity या only critical severity या high severity to be blocked या any all severity to be blocked. Give the name test spyware. Okay. And if we want to exception means if we want to something allowed except from this filtering, so we enable configure to there which we want to accept. So use this configuration tab. So in antivirus is the same thing. In the same configuration for antivirus also, go to the tab. And given their name, like I configure their test one. Okay. So any type of virus like HTTP, IMAP, POP3, SMB, so any type you want. So this work for the everything. You want to allow something application means this application will not be filter in this policy. So this will be policy will be allowed. This application will be allowed. So we apply it to their application tab. In the application tab, as we like shared, for shared allowed. So anything which you want to allow from application tab. And virus exception, if you have any threat ID, okay, if you have any threat ID to allow from this, so there we need to mention. So I will show you also where you would be configured to this. Okay friends, something like URL filtering also. So in the URL filtering, give the name of your filtering. I give the name ABC, and which would be allow block. Okay, override. So optional, everything is as your requirement. Abortion you want allow a block, so this, and configure to the, and call to this URL filtering profile in the policy profile setting. So I have shown you how to configure a policy and your security profile. So as you can configure your security profile, that I have shown you, and anything if you want to more, so you can text me also. Okay, so friends, please subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thank you friends.